One issue that Anthony mentioned that could damage the recovery is a forced government shutdown. The odds of a shutdown are getting better because the Speaker of the House is giving some fellow Republicans what they want, a single vote that would keep federal agencies running only if the health care overhaul by President Obama is put on hold. Nancy Cordes is on Capitol Hill. Nancy, good morning.
Good morning, Nora and Charlie. Well, many Republicans think this is a risky, if not foolhardy strategy. But House Speaker John Boehner was under pressure from about 40 or so Tea Party Republicans to do this, and he needed their votes. Speaker Boehner tried to put the best face possible on the controversial approach he had hoped to avoid.
There should be no conversation about shutting the government down. That's not the goal here. Our goal here is to cut spending and to protect the American people from Obamacare.
But any government funding bill that cuts money for the president's signature achievement is dead on arrival in the democratically controlled Senate and will be vetoed by President Obama, as he made clear in a speech to business leaders.
What I will not do is to create a habit, a pattern, whereby the full faith and credit of the United States ends up being a bargaining chip to set policy.
Unless Congress acts, the federal government will run out of money to operate starting on October 1st. On Wednesday, the Chamber of Commerce, a traditional Republican ally, urged House Republicans not to play games with funding, saying it is not in the best interests of the U.S. business community or the American people to risk even a brief government shutdown. But conservative House members were ecstatic about the plan, which they feel is their last chance to try to stop the president's health care law before public insurance exchanges go into effect on October 1st.
If we don't draw this line now, then the implementation begins. It's chaos.
This is worth fighting over. A government health care takeover and a program that's not even ready. I mean, this isn't just a philosophy that we're debating. This is chaos versus common sense.
But Senate Republicans are almost unanimously opposed to this plan. One called it a suicide note. Another said it would harm the American people. They don't like the president's health care law either, Nora and Charlie. They just don't think that funding should be held hostage because of it.
Nancy, thank you.